Hi, what's up? It's your boy Premium Patty, and I'm back with another video. Today we got the Supreme North Face unboxing. I was able to cop 2 items. I got the organizer and a fleece. I'm gonna just get right into it. Honestly, I've been opening this for a while. First, we got the organizer. Of course, you know, basic Supreme bag. I grabbed the black one. You know, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. It's all wrapped up in there, so I'm gonna get it out. But I got the black organizer, so it's clean across that. You know, not crazy, North Face on the back. Just a little pickup. Pretty nice, I like it. And with that, I got just some regular BOGO stickers. But now, we're gonna get into the thing I really am excited for. And I will be holding on to this until winter hits. That way it's worth more. But I don't know when I'm gonna sell the organizer. As you can see, this bag is looking pretty stuffed. And that's because inside of it, we have the whole Supreme North Face collaboration teal fleece. There's a tag on it. This was originally $306 after shipping and tax, and this just has 2 BOGOs, but who cares? We got a North Face Supreme collab piece, and honestly, I love this piece. This piece is amazing. It is a beautiful item. The stitching is amazing. It's a size large, but I'm gonna be holding on to this. I'm gonna be holding this until like it's either $800 or it's winter time, because honestly, it's beautiful. I love this item. I wish I could keep it for the personal, but I ain't got the money to be spending on this right now. This is the first Supreme North Face piece I ever copped too, so it makes it even more special. There's that. You got the trim across the top, the side, the back. There's a tag up there, fire. It's a beautiful piece. I wish I could keep it. So yeah, that's what I got from the Supreme North Face collab Spring Summer 19. Just the black organizer and the teal fleece. Check out my Instagram, Indiana_Supreme15 on Insta. Make sure to like and comment on this video, and make sure to subscribe. Alright, if you like the content, just leave a like, you know. And that's all for today.